Casus omissus is a Latin phrase that means a case omitted. It refers to situations or issues that have not been specifically addressed or provided for in a statute. This can be either because the situation itself was not anticipated when the law was written, or it has been left out by oversight. The general rule is that if there are significant gaps in a law, then the court cannot fill these gaps with its own interpretations. For example, when cryptocurrencies started becoming popular in India, then there were no rules or laws that specifically governed how these cryptocurrencies could be bought, sold, or exchanged. Then there were some situations where there were some disputes, but these situations were not covered under the existing laws because the existing laws did not anticipate the unique requirements of cryptocurrency related issues. Here, the judges should not try to plug the gaps through their own interpretations. It is up to the legislature to decide as to how they wish to address these issues around these new technologies and create appropriate laws. This rule has been reconfirmed by the courts in some landmark cases, that the judges should interpret the law as is and not attempt to fill significant gaps in the statutes in the guise of interpretation. Since the basic idea here is to interpret the law as is, the advantages will be certainty or predictability, and also in ensuring that the process of creating laws is left to the legislature. The disadvantages are that this makes the laws rigid and there is an over-reliance on the legislature, leading to relatively straightforward situations not being addressed, just because there is no specific law in place.